Hey everyone, it's Lisa from moonprismplanner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching. So today I'm going to be memory planning in my medium vertical recollections planner for the week of June 29th through the 5th of, 5th of July, which is the 4th of July weekend, or the week of Independence Day. Anyways, this is a kit by Sadie Stickers. And I've already done my pre-planning as I do. So if you'd like to check out that video where I pre-planned this week, I'll have it linked down below or it'll pop up in the cards. But for this video, I'm just going to go in day by day and fill in the blank areas of my planner with those white spaces and memory keep. So I'm going to start by using one of these little flags in the kit, and then I'm going to take a little running man icon from Simply Watercolor Co. to mark that I went on a night walk, because I don't always do it. I wish I did do it more often, but I don't because it's too hot. But anyways, I did on that night. And then for my gratitude, I just marked in my sidebar that I was grateful for it being a beautiful night. It was actually not as hot as it usually is. It's usually really, really hot. But anyways, it was a nice night. Tuesday, I really didn't have any room to do any memory planning, so I just wrote in my gratitude that I was grateful for Panera because we signed up for the free Panera bread. If you're seeing this now, sorry, it's too late, but they were offering a promotion where if you signed up for the rewards program and got the coffee subscription, it was actually free until like September for you to get free coffee and tea all summer long. Amazing. So signed up for that. Moving on to Wednesday, I'm just using a little star divider from Sadie Stickers because they're just so pretty and appropriate for this, 4th of July theme. And then I'm going to use a Fox and Pip boba sticker because my husband and I and my son, we all three of us went to get boba on Wednesday. We went to this place called 0 Degrees. So I'm using a quarter box from the kit and the boba sticker since we love our boba. We also got lunch there too, but boba's more special than lunch. After that, I'm just going to take a hexagon, is it? Yeah, I think it's a hexagon from the kit, and then a rose-colored daze squirt bottle for cleaning since I kind of cleaned up the house a little bit on Wednesday. And that's a sampler that I got. She sells these big samplers and she changes them up all the time. And you can get all the different kinds of foils that she offers and just get a little sampler of stickers. It's a pretty big sampler actually, and I like that because it comes in handy. Anyways, but that's what I did on Wednesday. For my gratitude, I wrote that I was grateful for Cozy Paper Co.'s Fall $1 Wednesday. Cozy Paper Co. is a shop that I PR for, and she does a $1 Wednesday pretty much almost every Wednesday. And she had a fall theme. Ugh, I'm so excited. Have y'all started buying your fall kits and fall stickers and stuff? Let me know in the comments because I'm just so excited for fall. It can't get here fast enough. Fall and winter are my favorite seasons by far. Anyways, so I'm just filling that in and then writing in my gratitude. I was grateful for the fall $1 Wednesday. On Thursday, I'm going to take a flag from the kit, and then I have that same Simply Watercolor Co sampler, but there's some flag overlays that are on there. It doesn't perfectly fit the flag, but whatever. And then I have this little Nikki sampler from Colored Daze, and I'm going to use the little money icon. This is one of her older samplers because we went to Costco. And we went with my in-laws because we were trying to get this electric tea kettle that we saw on sale, but they didn't have it, so we didn't get it. But we got a few other things while we were there. We usually shop at Sam's Club just because I prefer it's not as crowded and they have almost the same kind of stuff. And then plus, you can use their app to check out, pay for everything. You don't got to wait in line, none of that, so it's a huge plus. I also wanted to add a little more foil to this full box, and so I'm grabbing that same sampler and I'm using one of those little foiled corner overlay thingies. I think it's cute. Thursday, I also banged my knee super hard on my desk. I was rolling myself in and I just banged my knee on it, and it's this huge purple bruise. It's just not going to go away anytime soon. It's already been 4 days and it's still just super dark purple and blue. It hurts so bad. Anyways, so I'm taking this flag. It's a very light, kind of almost marbly colored flag from the kit, and then a little sad little face character from, who was that? A Joyful Planner? No, sorry, that's from A Joyful Dream. And I cut off her bottom half just because she didn't really fit, and I just kind of wanted a sad little crying face. Anyways, so I used her. Says it hurt so bad. And for my gratitude, I wrote that I was grateful for salted caramel because we actually I made some salted caramel brownies and they were so good, and we had some. So anyways, on Friday, I'm taking, it's like, what is this thing? It's a appointment label from the kit. And sorry, this is kind of out of frame. I'm just going to take an appointment label and I'm going to cut it. I don't know why. I just felt like I didn't want it to go all the way across. Wanted a little white space around it. I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to do that. And then I'm also going to take it's a bow pentagon from Dash With Me Designs. And this is a new shop that I PR for. So this is actually my freebie with Dash With Me Designs. With this little bow pentagon on it and a few other cute things. So if you want to get my freebie and save some money at Dash Sun, just use my code Lisa10 and you'll save 10% and then get that freebie. She does it in gold, silver, or rose gold. So it's just kind of a surprise what kind of foil you're going to get. And that was just to mark, I need you to go to the post office. What did I drop off? I think no. What did I go there for? I don't remember. Anyways, I went to the post office. I'm also going to use a cat butt from Colored Co, which, like I said, is another shop that I PR for. And for that shop, you just put my name in the notes and you'll get my freebie. And that's because I deep cleaned the litter box. I try to do, like a deep clean and dump it all out and everything like once a month. I don't know if that's not frequent enough. Somebody tell me how often you clean your cat's litter box, deep clean it. I think I need to buy a new one because after I deep cleaned it, it still kind of stunk. And I was like, but it's kind of old though. We've had this same box for 5 years that we've had our cats. So it's probably just it's, I don't know, stained. The scent has stained the box. I don't know. Probably need to buy a new one. Anyways, I need to go and get him some more cat litter. So probably I'll end up getting a box while I'm at Petco. Anyways, that's what I did on Friday. And I wrote that I was grateful for Hamilton because we finally watched it. And I've never seen it before, but I know everybody was obsessed with it. And I was like, I've got to see it. I love musicals, first of all. So why not, right? It was really good. Not my favorite, but Chicago's my favorite, by the way, if you're curious. But Hamilton was very good. And I got a little history lesson out of it. So that was neat. Anyways, moving on to Saturday. I didn't really have any room to put anything else in, so I just wrote in the name of the movie that we watched because we go over to my in-laws' house on Saturdays and have dinner with them and watch a movie. And so we watched this one called Mary and the Witch's Flower. I think it was on Disney Plus. I don't know, but my husband was surfing around trying to find something to watch. It was either that or Netflix. And it was really cute. It was kind of Studio Ghibli kind of vibes, but it wasn't Studio Ghibli. But you get what I mean, the Spirited Away kind of animation, if you've seen that. It was cute. It was a good movie. So we watched that. And then on Sunday, again, I didn't really have a lot of room for anything, so I just checked off the bill that I paid, and I used a divider from my Dash With Me Designs freebie. Underneath there, I just wanted to divide it up with something, but I didn't want to use something with a bow because there's already a bow right there, on top of that Destash sticker thing. And then I didn't want to use another Nikki squiggle because I already had a Nikki squiggle underneath Plan on the same day. So I was like, what do I use? So I just grabbed one of these dividers from my freebie. So, just to break up a little space there. I probably wish that those sticker sheet was moved up a little further away from the divider, but I can't move that because it's already a week old. So whatever, anyways. And then for Sunday, I was grateful for new beginnings since this was the night of a full moon, when we can, release negative energies and just kind of start out our month in a new beginning kind of way. So anyways, that is a recap of my last week. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up because it really helps me out. And I appreciate your support. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss more of my videos. I do upload, at least I try to do 3 videos a week. So I upload these videos regularly. So make sure you subscribe if you don't want to miss more of them. And leave me a comment if you have a question about anything. All of these shops are linked down below as always. And I have coupon codes or referral links to save you some money. If I have them, then they're there and I appreciate you using them. Or if you just want to comment and say hi, I'll say hi back because I respond to all of my comments. Anyways, I hope that y'all take care and have a wonderful rest of your week. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.